Hi, this is the unboxing of the Waring commercial power grinder, the WSG60K. Okay, it starts with opening up the box. Of course, there's a manual. It's in English at first. These are two lids. As you can see, they're quite large. Look at my hand. I've got a large hand. There's the base. Start, stop, and a pulse. And here is one cup. There's the other cup. It's rather large. It says on the box 650 milliliters capacity. So you can expect it's a larger one. A Waring logo. Look. Cups. Milliliters. There's also a maximum liquid fill. Okay, the other one is just the same. That's this one. So I'm not going to unbox that one. This is the lid. And there's a black rubber ring, which you have to release and take out when you are going to put everything in the dishwasher. So that's a quite large gap. Look, it says lock and unlock. So that's for the base, to put on the base. So this is the base and the two cups that belong together. The same blades as the other one. Here you have the start stop, the lock unlock, and the pulse. The Waring logo. On the back side there's only the input for the cable, nothing else. The lock and the unlock. You need two hands, I think, to lock it. Yeah. Okay, the top, I've put it on the base and the cup. Here is an arrow that goes in there, and lock it to the right. So twisting it to the right side. Just like the cup in the base. It's also from left to right, okay? Here are the holes to stick something in to push the ring out when you're going to put it in the dishwasher. Okay, so there you have it, the Waring WSG60K power grinder. Perfect for peppercorns, cinnamon, nuts, purees, pastas, garlic, herbs, and other dry wet blends. Housing of the base is metal. I think it's metal too. This sounds metal. Well, it's one base, so it must be metal too. Yes, it's brushed steel. Okay, I've put some flaxseed into the cup. The lid is locked, and I'm going to push the button. This is the pulse button. Oh, that's not real bad. No. I thought it would make more noise, but it's okay. Okay, let's start stop. And it's not that bad. Okay, well, bye-bye.